Yes, Honorable Titigo.
Sir, thank you. Sir, clarify ko lang the systems loss per month is 13.5 million.
For the year of 2024 that I specifically look at, just to say, just to feel, so how much the co-op is losing every month. The total uncollected system loss because it's beyond the cap was about 13.5 billion per month.
These figures that was presented a while ago, of course, these are being published at maraming nakakaalam. I believe investors are, before the investors would come in, these are the figures that they would like to know, of course. So if in the event that those investors that would like to come or to invest in General Santos City at makikita nila na ganito ang status, definitely they will not come in. Am I right to say?
The answer is yes and no. Because if they want to come here because of all the glories that are here and just to get those glories, then certainly they will not come. But if they are sincere that they have the ability to help solve this, then they may be interested.
Okay, last question. With the current situation, with the systems laws and so on, at pabayaan natin si Sukutay to-operate, do you think they can still overcome the problem?
With the current resources of the electric cooperative that in fact are being used para dun sa non-collected system loss level, they have no financial capability.
Thank you very much. Kindly recognize the Honorable Lagari first.
The Honorable Dominador Lagare III is recognized.
Sir, thank you for the enlightenment. Mas klaro-klaro na sa amin kung ano yung picture. My question is, how long ang meron kami para masabi natin na makaya pa namin habulin kung ano yung dapat habulin? Even na may 13.5 million na nawawala kada buwan.
How long until we become negative? Yeah, or meaning, pag-start po pumunta sa negative. Hindi ko po nakuha exactly kung ano yung financials ng electric cooperative. Pero yung ganito pong sitwasyon na more than 1 year na, tapos sa titingnan natin the future, kung hindi po natin na-arresto ito ng kaya po ang term na ginagamit ko, dito talaga nag-a-apply, literally yung fourth week. So, every month that we are not able to arrest will lead towards those ailing condition one day. So, hindi ko exactly masabi, pero I should say, wag po nating palampasin ang 6 na buwan na tayo ay parang walang nangyari.
That's well taken, sir.